Hey, welcome back to the No Code Minute. Alright, now into part 6 of grocery store list. Let's finish up our repeating group by adding a description. So we're going to go over here and click on text. Add some text right in here. We're going to make sure it's also the insert dynamic data. Current sales grocery store item description. Alright, so let's put this to the same place as the description above. We're going to also make this 45 pixel height. Make sure that stays inside the repeating group. Center it vertically, and we'll just bring this all the way down to the edge. Okay, if we remove this style, we can also center the text vertically and add a little bit larger font. Okay, well, there's the description. Next time in Making a Grocery List Part 7, we'll also do the workflow for this. It's getting close to being done. Hope you enjoyed. Please like the video and remember to subscribe.